How to see Amazon Prime Video watch history. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search Amazon.com and log into your account. After you've logged into your account, at the top, click on Accounts and List, which will open all these options. In these options, click on Account. After you've clicked on Account in here, you'll find this kind of screen. Click on Prime. After you've clicked on Prime, in here at the top, click on Watch History. After you've clicked on Watch History, you will find all your watch history of Prime. On the right side, you will find Delete. You can delete your history from here as well. And this is how to see Amazon Prime Video watch history. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.